Every investment decision starts with an aspiration. And at Nabo Capital, we have discovered that every time we ask our individual clients, why are you investing? They say 9 out of 10, they say they're investing because of education for their children. Now, in the last video, we discussed the lifestyle portfolio and made a conclusion that everybody must have a lifestyle portfolio as the first step of gaining true financial freedom. In today's video, I'll be discussing the second type of portfolio, which we call a security portfolio, which is a second step and the final step to achieving true financial freedom. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa. What is a security portfolio? Once an individual is able to put food on the table, is able to clothe themselves and their family, and is able to have a roof on top of their heads, then we say that individual has been able to achieve the first step of financial freedom, which is lifestyle. And then they proceed to the next group of needs. And this group of needs, according to our own surveys, are about 6 needs. And the first one that really comes to mind is education. Every individual starts asking themselves, can I be able to sustain my children in school with or without employment or the business income that normally comes to them on a regular basis? And that is a very big worry, and a lot of people have tried to sort that out by just going to the insurance companies to buy education policies. But we have found out that it's not been sufficient to cater for those needs, and therefore that's why 9 out of every 10 Kenyans that we speak to, they tell us that they want education for their children. The second need that we come across is home ownership. People want to know that when they don't have their jobs, that they will not be chased away from their homes, and therefore home ownership is a very, very big security need. The third need that we have identified is insurance. People start worrying about their lives. What if they're not there? What if they have they encounter one or the other form of disability, and therefore there is a strong desire to have insurance or to insure themselves and their properties. The other fourth kind of need is they want to enjoy with their families. They want to go on occasional basis with their families for local visits, which is really good. It brings the family together. And the key question they ask themselves, am I able to take my family for vacations on a regular basis, annually or twice in a year? The fifth kind of need that we have come across is medical. People get really worried about their medical. Medical bills are normally very high. Even the people with the best medical covers, call it 3.5 million shillings. Just how much does it take for one to fully exhaust medical cover, inpatient cover of 3.5 million shillings? 2 weeks to 1 month, that with a very serious disease, it's gone. And therefore people want to put together a fund that is able to take care of their medical bills just in case they exhaust their insurance cover. The sixth and the final need that we find most popular is emergency fund. People want to be prepared for a rainy day, and they want to set aside some money, not assigned for any particular purpose, but just to step in. Maybe it's a need that arises within the family or outside of the family. All of us have one form of dependent on the other, and those kind of emergencies can disrupt our financial plan. So a security portfolio, when you're setting up a security portfolio for our clients, we're able to sit and discuss the kind of security needs that our clients have, and we help them to put together a portfolio to take care of this second and final phase of truly achieving financial freedom. So I firmly believe, and we all at Nabo Capital, we firmly believe that everybody must have a security portfolio to achieve true financial freedom. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has enlightened you on the steps that you need to start making to gain true financial freedom. In the next video, I will be unveiling the third kind of portfolio or type of portfolio that I believe you as an individual or your family must have in this journey of wealth creation. In the meantime, you can engage us on the various social media platforms that are available on the screen. You can call us on the telephone number that is on the screen, or you can come to our offices and we welcome you with a cup of tea as we discuss your financial plans. My name is Pius Mugo, the Managing Director of Nabo Capital, and you're watching Invest in Africa.